Why would I avoid acupuncture? Natural treatments are something that people often look into in order to treat their various illnesses. Some of these natural treatments have been used for thousands of years and stem from some ancient scientific studies. One of these is the process of acupuncture, a way of manipulating the natural balance within the body through the insertion of very thin needles into specific points that are located on the body. Even though this particular type of natural medicine is gaining in popularity in the United States, it still comes under some scrutiny from time to time. Is acupuncture safe? Acupuncture is something that has been done for thousands of years throughout a variety of cultures, especially those that are located in Asia. It's really only been within the past several decades that acupuncture has gained popularity in the Western world. Since that time, however, many millions of people have sought this kind of treatment in order to gain a natural healing for their bodies. Many people are concerned, however, because of the possibility of something going wrong during this treatment. Fortunately, those worries are not founded. As long as it is done by somebody who is experienced, acupuncture is one of the safest forms of natural medicines that exist. The FDA now even regulates the needles that are used by acupuncturists in their treatments in order to ensure that they are sterile and that no infection will be passed on. The only real dangers, other than infection, are the possibility of an organ being pierced or of some difficulty caused by an underlying condition such as pregnancy or the wearing of some kind of electronic device, such as a pacemaker. On your initial visit to the acupuncturist, he will go over a series of questions with you in order to determine your health needs. You may also want to consult with your doctor before any acupuncture treatments are administered. In this way, you will be in a much safer position because one will not be working against the other. All in all, acupuncture is an excellent way for you to regain the balance in your body and to improve your overall health. It may also help you with specific healthcare needs such as depression, appetite suppression, or general pain. Regardless of why you go to an acupuncturist, however, the odds are that you will walk out of there feeling better than you felt when you walked in.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.